In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change page orientation in Canva. Open your design in Canva and head to the top menu bar. Click on Resize. This is where you can adjust dimensions and switch between portrait and landscape. Canva gives you two options. Choose from the suggested sizes like a 4 Instagram post or presentation, or go for a custom size. In custom size, simply set the width larger than the height for landscape or the height larger than the width for portrait. Once you've chosen your dimensions, hit resize this design. Canva will instantly update the orientation. You might just need to move text or images slightly to keep everything aligned. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Canva page orientation in just a few clicks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips.